My name is Ivo.
Good.
Yeah, I'm from Bulgaria and
Good.
I like my job. Yeah,
How much is the charge?
30 level.
Beach, there's a toilet. I can see someone coming out with bags, or someone collecting money. Let me do. So yeah, there is a toilet at the beach. There is a bar or a lounge or a restaurant by the beach area, which is good. And there is a nightclub. And there is a nightclub. So there's going to be a fun at night. This is a nightclub right in front of the beach. So many people sit down, have fun, enjoy, and then you can move to the nightclub at night. There's a lounge here you can drink or eat out, which is lovely. There are other activities. So, yeah, I'm just going to show around, get close to the beach area, show some activities going on there, come back. Yeah, okay, this is the beach. When you talk about sunny beach, yeah. I guess there's a good thing I've noticed about Sunny Beach as well. Okay, and there's a shop right at the beach, just on top of the white sand. So it's easy for you to, come back when you're thirsty, get some things to drink, and back to your chair. There's a lot of empty chairs. So I'm not too sure if this will be very full in August, but right now there are a lot of empty chairs here. So just take a walk down to see the beach area. I think the fun coming by the beach, the vibe, the things you see, the kind of people you meet, the fun at the beach, these are all inclusive in your enjoyment when you are at the beach area. I mean, this is something that everybody wants to experience. The fun at the beach is second to none. This is like close to the nature. And it's something you do when you're outside on holiday. Makes you forget all the problems, forget things, just feel relaxed. Just feel at ease. You don't have to, stress yourself. I mean, I'm just going to find a time to sit. So, when you're outside, you're at the beach area to enjoy, have fun, be comfortable, and feel at ease. Coming out the beach is an experience, a life experience. It's something everybody wants to enjoy. And right now, I can feel fresh air. I can feel there's some good weather, good breeze. I feel elated. I feel happy. I don't have anything to stress myself on. When you're at the beach, you just feel relaxed and just spend your time spend some time to relax, make yourself feel comfortable. That is what beach is all about. You know, this is something everybody dreamt of, and it's something you need to do after you stretch yourself from work. This is something to always look out for. So right now, I am feeling relaxed, and this is something I wanted. I have no reason to complain right now because staying at the beach make me feel, not really staying at the beach, but going on holiday made me feel very comfortable. And right now, I like it. So I'm just going to sit down for a while and get some fresh air. Like I said, this is an environment where you can enjoy and just see, look at the view from everywhere. More people coming on holiday, more people relaxing. So why wouldn't you or I or anyone be part of that enjoyment? So right now, it is something that I feel, very, very comfortable. Okay, I just want to relax. I don't want to compromise my enjoyment or life, I just feel relaxed, feel chilled, feel like everything is soft, yeah. The umbrella also rent out for 10 levers, so that's 20 levers, and that's just like £9 for chair and umbrella. So if you're coming to Sunny Beach, you're definitely rest assured you can get yourself some chair. So it's not free, this is a business, and the guy said he's been doing this for over 10 years. And there's an attendance here, which is cool. You always see them. You're right, my friend. You always see them in white shirt and blue. You're in charge, right? Yeah. So that's the guy. That's his colleague. So it's not one I spoke with, but that was his colleague. But very romantic. Two people right in front of them. Like you're in front of the different you're not using the beach chair, you'll be using the soft cushion chair. I'll relax, I'll get your drink, and also listen to music. And so that's this lounge. It comes with DJ. I think they call them the Palm Beach. So if you come to Sunny Beach and you find yourself around here, you come to this place, you enjoy, and like I said, this is more like a city center. It's like a center of Sunny Beach, among many other places. I'm sure there will be another different center from here, but this is like a central. So I'm just gonna go. I think I've been to this bridge. I don't really need to. Yeah. So there's a lot to see here. This is Sunny Beach. From here, you have a chance to be on a boat. Not a cruise, but you can hire a private boat, I think, and possibly relax. The boat take you to where you want to be, and you can see some boats around here. And there's something they call banana boat, which people have been using a lot. I've seen that. Goes left and right. There's a banana boat on that side as well. And that's one that looks very yellowish. It's called banana boat. Yeah. This is it. So there's another way to create money. And I just learned that the chair is not free, so someone is in charge, which is very good. I mean, you're on holiday, what is 10 leva? 10 leva is just like £5, £4. The chair plus umbrella, 20 leva, you're getting that for like £10 to sit all day. That's like you're renting a space, you're renting an accommodation. But in an environment where you want a lot of sun, you don't need the umbrella. You know, why do you need the umbrella? You just want to tan, you want a very good vitamin D. So the chair is £10, 10 leva, which is like £5. So that's a very good deal. Yeah. So you don't have to swim, you just relax at the beach, and then you will see a lot of activities going on. You feel relaxed, feel comfortable. Yeah. So Sunny Beach is somewhere I will recommend. And yeah, I'm showing this to you all. If you by any chance want to come around. So, now this is how the beach looks. We are in the right season now. You can see people on the beach and then look down up the hill, below the hill. I'm sure these are full of hotels where you have tourists coming around to Sunny Beach. And in front of every hotel, then they create a beach scene. And look around, it goes far round to the end of the mountain. I think there is difference between the Sunny Beach area and Naseba. Possibly some of these buildings might be linking up to Naseba. I'm not too familiar geographically with this area, but I can tell that There's fun going on, and there's a lot of tourists here in Bulgaria. And right now, the sunny beach is bubbling. The sun is like 30 to 35 degrees. I can feel myself feeling burn under the sun. So I can easily tell it's very hot here. This is a time to come around and have fun on the beach. I'm just going to look around a little bit because I don't really fancy walking on this sandy beach. It's so stressful because I wear the beach shoe or something like that, and currently struggling to put my foot on the beach. It goes down and up to the end of the mountain as well. If I look at it from the end of the mountain there and to the end on this side, if it goes round, we might be looking at about 20 or 60 miles. There is a far distance there going towards this side, but you need to choose your spot. Like I said, there are a lot of people kayaking, there's a lot of people flying up with the balloon, there are a lot of people surfing, there are a lot of people swimming, boat riding. Lots of fun around here.